Hi everyone, Gagajoy at Gagajoy's Cooking. It's such a beautiful day here. It's spring has finally arrived, I do think. Today we're going to be making something unusual. I do this every now and then for my grandchildren. This is a new recipe that's going wild on the internet. It's called popcorn salad. I'm assuming the person who made this wanted crunch because it's celery, snow peas, and carrots, and a little shallot. So, I'll finish my snow peas. You know, with snow peas, you got to string them. Like a green bean. It's a cup of each, so I'm just guessing. This is a cup. I love how kids come, well, I don't know if they're necessarily kids, but people come up with new things, and they go over quickly. Of course, it's got a lot of good stuff in it. I love snow peas. Celery. And carrots. Now there's the matchstick carrots. I net some more crunch. And now the celery. I took the hearts in the celery so that they'd be very tender. My parents raised celery every now and then. It's really a process to raise celery. It takes a lot of attention. Well, there's one for my dog. Okay. Just going to fix the shallot. It's a shallot instead of an onion, I guess, because it's shallots are very mild, yet they have a little onion flavor to it. And I'm sure that's why it is if you didn't have a shallot, maybe you could put a little tiny piece of onion in it. And it goes in your salad dressing. Okay. Just about. Now here is where me and the recipe separate. It calls for mayonnaise and vinegar and a tablespoon of vinegar. The mayonnaise was too heavy. I just thought it was too heavy, and I thought it was similar would be ranch dressing. It's got a little bit more flavor to it anyway. And so I went with ranch. So if you want to keep it on the same scale as the recipe, it's mayonnaise, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, a shallot, and a tablespoon of vinegar. Now, you could pop your popcorn. I chose not to because I thought I got this without the hulls. I thought that would be pretty. Oh, that's good. Here goes our salad. It does make a pretty salad. Might need a little bit more dressing. I only used a half a cup, and it does call for 3/4 of a cup. I don't know though. Looks like it's getting pretty well covered. It's looking pretty good. It tastes like a good salad with the popcorn does add a little something to it, but they suggest that you don't add the popcorn until you're ready to serve it because your popcorn might get soggy or stale. But it's worth a try. I think it will all be eaten here because it is good with the ranch on it. So that's our new salad. Enjoy. Have a good week. I enjoyed doing this. I enjoy doing little things like this for my grandchildren. And enjoy the week. Remember the joy. Subscribe and hit that bell. And we'll see you soon. Bye.